In Colorado, community is more than just where we live. It's about connections, shared spaces, and knowing that someone is looking out for what matters most to us. At ACCU, we're proud to be a locally owned community management company, dedicated solely to serving Colorado. We're not part of a national chain, driven by acquisitions and profit margins. We're here because we genuinely care about making Colorado communities the best they can be. Unlike the big out-of-state companies that see community management as dollars per door and growth targets, we see each community as unique. Your association isn't just another line on a spreadsheet to us. It's our neighbors, our families, and our friends. We believe in creating customized solutions tailored to each community's needs. Whether it's taking care of day-to-day operations, managing capital improvements, or planning for the future, ACCU puts people over profits. Every time. Our goal is to build real partnerships with our boards, offering transparency, support, and the expertise needed to keep your community thriving. When you choose ACCU, you're choosing a community partner who lives and works where you go, who values every homeowner, and who's committed to building a better Colorado, one neighborhood at a time. ACCU, Incorporated. A better choice for Colorado communities. Local, committed, and here for you.